guys, welcome back. So this is our second part, how we can change singular noun into plural nouns. But before this, if you haven't seen our previous video, so press the I icon above on the video to get link to the video. So let's get started. Okay. Another rule, if the noun has F or FE, means if the singular noun is adding in F or FE at the end, it is changed to V. If it has F, it changes to VE, S, and if some words are ending in either F or FE, they also get S as their ending to make them plural. So let's make it easier to understand. Suppose leaf ending in F is changed to V and ES is added to make it plural. Same for half. Proof is ending in F but it has an S at the end. Okay, let's move further. If a noun has an ending Y and a consonant before it changes to IES, means if a noun has an ending Y, it changes to IES. Like in this example, I have fly. It is ending in Y, but it has a consonant L. That is why this Y over here is changed to IES. Similarly with city, Y at the end, consonant before that, so Y is changed to IES. Similarly with this, if has a vowel, a S is added. Means the same word ends with Y and has a vowel before it. Vowel has a vowel before Y, then only S is added. Means if words are ending in Y, if it has a consonant, Y is changed to IES. And if it has a vowel, it is changed to S. Means if it has an ending Y and has a consonant before it, Y changes to IES. But if it has a vowel, it changes to S. So let's moving on further. If some nouns do not follow the rule, means some nouns do not follow the rules which we have discussed, they have completely different form. Like, what does this statement means? We have discussed some of the basic rules how to change singular into plural, but these are some of the words which are completely different, means they do not follow that rule to make these words into plural. Like men changes to men, mouse changes to mice, woman changes to women, child changes to children. Some of the students write child as children's. This is grammatically wrong because children only means plural. So please do not do this mistake. Also, some nouns do not change in plural. Some nouns do not change in plural. So, some nouns are deer, sheep, fish, furniture, etc. Question in the paper is asked either to change it singular nouns to plural nouns. Simple question will be given, either it will come in the form of fill-ups. So let's discuss how these questions are asked in your exams. Now let's have a look how the question is asked in the paper. First type of question is fill with correct form of nouns from the bracket. Okay, we have to choose the correct form of nouns from the bracket. Let's read the first sentence. Mr. Sen has 4 means 4 number. It is more than 1. That means the noun will be plural. So correct answer is children. Dash love playing with rattle. Baby love playing with rattles, or it will be babies playing with rattles. So which will be the correct form? The noun, there is one more noun, rattles. It is plural. So correct option is babies. Third, Avi gave dash to his friend. Avi is singular. Friend is singular. That means we will be having a singular noun. Watch. Avi gave watch to his friend. Not, it won't be like this. Avi gave watches to his friend. It's wrong. It will be watch. Okay, moving on to the second type of question. Change the sentences to plural and singular. Means some of the sentences are plural and other are singular. We will be changing singular sentence to plural sentence to singular sentence. So let's have a look. First, the leaf fell from the tree. It will be the, to make leaves plural, it's ending in F, it will be leaves fell from the trees. Right. Okay. Next, the second sentence is the plural sentence. The boys are playing. But to make it singular, it will be the boy is playing. Moving on to the last sentence. The girl played with the goose. Geese is plural. The singular form of goose. Sorry. The third sentence says the girl played with the geese. We wrote goose. Geese is the plural form and goose is the singular form. Means this comes under which rule? The nouns which do not follow the rules, they have their own way of making themselves into plural. That's all for today, guys. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So stay tuned for our upcoming videos.